Paul Pasolga, Ivy Masters Learning Center at ivymasters.com. And today we're going to look at the 14th question from the Linear Digital SAT Test 1, Module 1. And the paragraph reads, some researchers studying Indigenous actors and filmmakers in the United States have turned their attention to the early days of cinema, particularly the 1910s and 1920s, when people like James Young Deere, Dark Cloud, Edwin Carewe, and Lilian St, known professionally as Red Wing, were involved in one way or another with numerous films. In fact, so many films are associated records for this era have been lost that counts of those four figures output should be taken as bare minimums rather than totals. It's entirely possible, for example. So notice a blank is coming in this sentence. We want to pay attention to this sentence. It said that the output should be taken as bare minimums rather than totals. In other words, they must, and this is what you want to establish before you look at the answer choices, they must have done more work than the numbers reflect in the table. We're looking for the answer choice that reflects that, if that's what's going to conclude the sentence, which it looks like it is. Which choice most effectively uses data from the table to complete the example? Answer choice A. Dark Cloud acted in significantly fewer films than did Lilian St, who is credited with 66 performances. So that's an example of something that is true based on the table, but it's not completing the sentence properly, because our prediction is, if these are bare minimums, that they might have worked more than this. Answer is B. Edwin Carewe's 47 credited acting roles includes only films made after 1934. So 47 acting roles, we could see that here with Edwin Carewe, but it says between 1912 to 1934. Now, if the sentence we're talking about the table being inaccurate as far as the years go, then B would be the correct answer. But B just is not true based on the table. And it says that we got to most effectively use the data from the table. We're assuming that the data in the table is accurate except for what the sentence is saying, that they're bare minimum, so they might have been more. Answer choice C, Lilian St acted in far more than 66 films. So here we've got Lilian St, Red Wing, credited with 66 films. So if he acted more, then sounds like that might be your bare minimum. And Edwin Carewe directed more than 58. So Edwin Carewe, we already have him underlined. It says that he's got 58 films as a director. So if these are bare minimums, it looks like we found our answer C, but let's check out answer choice D. James Young Deere actually directed 33 films and acted in only 10. So James Young Deere, just as soon as you read acted in only 10, it's emphasizing how little, and Young Deere, it says that he acted in 33. So that would be an opposite of what we're looking for. That's saying that he didn't do as many as is in the table. C is going to be your correct answer. Thank you for joining us today. If you like this video, click like. You can share it with someone who has trouble cross-referencing passages along with the tables. In this case, we see a sentence completion. Is there any question you'd like to see answered from any official PSAT or SAT or ACT? Leave that in the comments. I'd be happy to shoot a video on it. Click subscribe so you don't miss anything, and check out our 1-minute video on TikTok. Have a great day.